I just lowered the heat, gas cooker, and now adding the eggs. Spread is fine. When making egg sauce, the trick to ensuring your egg comes out in chunks is that you reduce your heat and then you cover the pot for a while so that the egg cooks slowly and it's able to rise. So that way your egg will not break and it's come out in chunks the way you love it. Let's just look at this. It's already forming chunks. Can you see? You flip. You flip. Don't overstir. You just lift it off the pan gently like this, and then you flip. Don't stir. You scoop from under. You flip. That's all. So you don't overcook your eggs. You just allow it to. These are homegrown eggs, so we don't have to be scared of anything. We'll cook it just for a few seconds and we'll turn the gas off. Our potatoes are already done. You see, very nice and soft. Okay, this is ready. Now we'll turn off the heat. My sweet potato and egg sauce is ready. So this is enough for my daughter, just one. Scoop some egg sauce for her. She's not a big fan of egg sauce. She prefers boiled egg, but I'm teaching her not to be very selective, not to be a picky eater, so she'll be having this anyway. So here you go. So here we are, our potato and egg sauce. Simple dinner for my family. Let me just assist her in peeling it.
Baby, not put my
Got it for her into smaller portions.
This one is my
Finish your food first and I'll uncut it for you. Mama, you're eating already.